Thank you for making the time to watch this brief video so we can share with you several important concerns before you take the ACCUPLACER test. An important question for you to ask before you might even take the test is to ask, do you really need to take this test? It's possible that you may use another measure such as high school GPA or scores from another standardized test. Please confirm this with a Gateway staff member. If you do take the ACCUPLACER test, it does help to determine that you are placed into an appropriate level for various courses. The ACCUPLACER test consists of two different tests, math and writing. In the math test, you'll be asked to solve various types of math problems. 12 math problems on the elementary algebra test, which determine your eligibility for entrance into a credit level math course. If you score well enough on this test, you may be routed up to the college level math test, which has 20 problems and is used to determine eligibility for the calculus math course. The writing test is the Right Placer test, providing an opportunity for a student to write an essay in response to a prompt. In the context of 60 minutes, you are eligible then to be placed into Composition 1 or other courses which have an English prerequisite. Results from the automatically graded essay test are available immediately after taking Right Placer. How much time you have to take the test varies. On the math test, it is untimed, so unlimited. On the writing test, it is a 60-minute limit. You can use scratch paper and a pencil and the calculator which is on the computer on certain problems. If you believe you need accommodations, please consult with a Gateway staff member for additional information regarding our college's Office for Disability Services. In terms of preparation for ACCUPLACER, it really is intended to discern your current ability, but many people find that it's appropriate to refresh knowledge from the past, while not necessarily advisable to attempt to learn new material before taking the test. Appropriate preparation also may include becoming familiar with the test structure itself, and more extensive preparation resources are located at this shortcut URL, the college's website, followed by /ACCUPLACER. What should you do after the test? Please communicate as soon as possible with a Gateway staff member who will interpret to you the meaning of the scores which you have received and your eligibility for placement into courses. If you think any score you have achieved is not an accurate indication of your ability, you may choose to retest with a second attempt on the math test or on the writing test. If you have any concerns, questions, please communicate with a Gateway staff member. And again, please take advantage of the free resources we provide for you at this shortcut URL, the college website, then /ACCUPLACER. Again, thank you for making the time to view this.